You're not scared of automation. You're scared of being on the hook for a vendor's black box when it melts down at 2 a.m. That's the real risk here. Not jobs, but accountability without control. So let's treat GoHighLevel like an AI employee and judge it like a leader would. Lock in, outages, rogue bots, and the kill switch you'd better have before you roll out. I'll show you where it's strong, where governance breaks, and the one metric that actually matters, slower MTTR, mean time to recover. Let's separate the sales dream from the operating reality. The pitch sounds fantastic. An AI employee that picks up missed calls, texts back, qualifies leads, books meetings, nudges for reviews, and never forgets the follow-up. You get time back, time to coach, time to architect pipelines, time to think. And yes, some of this dream is real. Voice AI can take calls. Conversation AI can capture details and move toward bookings. Workflow AI adds reasoning like steps so it doesn't sound like a 2014 chatbot. This is leverage, especially for agencies and small businesses. But here's the truth no one loves to say out loud. It works because you define the rails. You decide qualification, you control tone, you set escalation rules. It's a junior rep with a strict playbook, not a colleague with judgment. Quick example, a bot hit me last month and got stuck in a loop. Same line over and over. It felt human until it didn't. That doesn't just fail, it annoys people. It dings your brand. So yes, you get focus back. You eliminate robotic work from humans, you get consistency, but the real operating cost isn't the subscription, it's governance, testing, monitoring, escalation, guardrails. That's the black box tax. If this AI employee melts down at 2 a.m., they're calling you, not the vendor. Vendor lock-in? Real. Your entire customer comm stack, CRM, funnels, SMS calendars, bots, all under one roof. Now that's efficient until you want to move. Migrations aren't exports, they're reconstruction, field mapping, workflow rebuilding, retraining prompts, retesting every edge case. That's strategic debt, and debt always comes due. Outages? One hiccup. Your leads stall, your calendars go quiet, your pipeline starves. Your North Star metric? Slow and clear MTTR. How fast do you detect, contain, roll back, recover? If you can't measure it, you can't fix it. Rogue bots are not science fiction. They're boring and expensive. Annoy people with loops, brand damage, invent a discount, revenue leak, say the wrong compliance phrase, career limiting event. Governance is the antidote. Audit logs, data residency clarity, real SLAs with teeth, and monitoring your radar system, loop detectors, drop-off alerts, kill switch triggers. Because one rogue message is annoying, one rogue system is a disaster. But here's how you win. Treat GoHighLevel like a sandboxed junior rep, not a free-range decision maker. You set the rules and it performs inside of them. You define good, tone, legality, escalation triggers all in one page. Version every prompt, test every change, log every release. Operationalize MTTR with detection containment, rollback and recovery. Stay audit ready. Monthly exports. Protect data. Align SLAs with your RTO and make the vendor sign it. Keep canonical truth in Salesforce or HubSpot, not the black box. Assign owners. Measure 4 signals: conversion up, intent errors down, handoff satisfaction up, MTTR trending lower. That's leadership grade control. So here's the truth. You can demand GoHighLevel is automation with leverage, not judgment with autonomy. Run it like a junior rep and you'll save time without losing control. Scrappy agencies, they consolidate and scale. Just have guardrails and a kill switch. Answer to a board? Pilot at the edge. Demand audit logs, data residency clarity, and SLA teeth before you bet the business. Now that you know the risk and how to control it, the real question is, does the ROI justify the headache? Now, if you enjoyed this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell notification so you are notified when more videos come out from Gaining the Technology Leadership Edge.